Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete incognito mode history on Android. So let's get started. Everyone uses incognito browsing mode to keep their search history private. With incognito mode, browsing history will not be saved. Instead, it creates a cache of all the websites that you visit. First open Google Chrome on your mobile, and if you want to delete incognito history in another browser, then open that browser. Now type chrome // net hyphen internals in the search box and hit enter. So DNS lookup page will open. Now on the DNS lookup page, tap on DNS option in the left panel. You will find clear host cache. When you tap on this button, it will delete mobile's DNS cache. That is your phone's incognito history. So that is how you can delete incognito mode history on Android. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.